Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Info by Anjali. Today I am going to show you how we can easily fix the horizon light issue on the OnePlus 10 Pro devices. So as you all know, OnePlus 10 Pro mobiles are having curved edges. So there is a feature provided by OnePlus called horizon light to display a thin beam of colorful light on the edges of the mobile. So whenever a new notification pops up and your device screen is off, in that case you will see one thin beam of colored light getting displayed on the edges. So I have recently faced this issue that in my new OnePlus 10 Pro device I wasn't able to get the horizon light on when the device was locked. So I have figured out some system settings to enable this feature, which is already provided in the mobile settings itself, but many people like me wasn't aware of this setting. So this video will help you to fix the display of horizon light on your OnePlus devices as well. So let's check the settings. Here, when you go to the settings, we will see this personalization option. So you have to go to this personalization option, and here at the bottom you will see the horizon light. So as you can see here, if I am selecting any of the colors, it is not reflecting on the preview of this mobile. So that means that this horizon light is not working properly. So first of all, one mandatory feature is to check this always on display is on or not. So as you can see here, the always on display is off. So I have to first enable this feature. This is mandatory. Without this, it won't be reflected. So now you have enabled this feature. Again, you can check the horizon light. So as you can see, still the horizon light is not reflecting on the preview of the mobile. So there is one more setting, very important setting you have to check. So go to the settings, search for accessibility option, and here go to the vision tab. Here you can see at the end there is remove animations and it is enabled. So just what you have to do is disable this option and see the magic happen. Now go back to the settings again. On the personalization screen, go to the horizon light again and see, you can as you have selected the blue color was displayed on the preview. Now if I am selecting red, the red color is getting displayed. So this is just the preview, but in general when the device screen is locked and you get any new notification, then you will also get the same beam displayed on your device as well. That's it. Make these settings and enjoy the horizon light feature on your OnePlus devices as well. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And in case if you need more info on any topic, please drop a comment in the comment section and I will get back to you with the solution for that issue. Thank you.